Next is of vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation, it is occurring in higher plants, especially high plants. In plants, the two parts is there. One is of vegetative, another is of reproductive. Reproductive part, that is the flower, and vegetative part, that is root, stem and leaves. Whenever the plant or higher plants reproduce with the help of root, stem and leaves, that is known as vegetative propagation. Whenever the plant reproduces with the help of root, stem and leaves, that is known as the vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is of two types. One is of natural, another is of artificial. Natural vegetative propagation and artificial vegetative propagation. When the plant can propagate naturally with the help of root, stem and leaves, that is of natural vegetative propagation. If we modified in that plant, that is of root, stem and leaves, if we modified root, if we modified stem or if we modified leaves, then after the plant can reproduce, that is of artificial vegetative propagation. First we studied that is of natural vegetative propagation. It can be as of root, stem and leaves. So directly it can be reproduced through the directly we grow the roots of any plants, that they produce new plants, that is of natural. If we grow the stem of any plants, that produce automatically new plants, that is of natural vegetative propagation. For example, throw root in sweet potato. Sweet potato, it is the root. If we grow the sweet potato, that is of Ipomoea batatas, that produce new plant naturally, that is of vegetative propagation. Sometimes asparagus, it can also produce new plants naturally, that is of natural vegetative propagation through the roots. Like that in stem, in potato can also produce new plants. Sugarcane, the stem, these are the part of the stem that can reproduce naturally through the new plants. Is in this way, leaves also reproduce new plants. Example is of bryophyllum. Bryophyllum that reproduce naturally new plants. That is the natural vegetative propagation. Another example is of artificial. Artificial vegetative propagation. Sometimes we modified the plant part, that is of root, stem or leaves, modified, and then after we grow that vegetative part into the soil and that produce new plants, that is of artificial vegetative propagation. It is of three types. First one is of cutting. Cutting can done by roots, stem or leaves. That part may be root or stem or leaves. कौन सा भी portion हो सकता है. Initially that portion is of the plant will be cut and treated with the hormones, growth hormones. What is the growth hormones? Growth hormones, these are the chemicals which promote the growth of the plant, that is known as growth hormones. These are the promote, normally 5 types of growth hormones is there, that is of auxin, GA3 or gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, ABA, or we can say abscisic acid, and ethylene. These hormones is present in our syllabus in the control and coordination, but this year that portion is removed from our syllabus. That's why we cannot study it. Otherwise, these are the different growth hormones, especially auxin, GA3, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. These are the chemicals, such type of chemicals which produce naturally in the plants and also formed by the different scientists commercially or in factories by synthetic procedure. So these are the growth hormones which can promote or retard the growth of the plants. That is the growth hormones. So the plant part, take the plant part and treat it with these growth hormones for the increasing of growth, and then after grow into the soil, and this portion of the part produce new plants, that is of cutting. We apply like rose cutting is applied, and rose stem cutting grow in the soil, then obliquely grow, then after these rose cutting produce to new plants like that. China rose, these are the bougainvillea, grapes. Of these different plants we utilize cutting, stem cutting to produce new plants. Means the small portion taken from the parental plants, then it will be cut obliquely and grow, and then after treated with the growth hormones or different chemical hormones, then after some times they produce new leaves and branches and converted into new plants. That is the cutting, artificial propagation, that is of cutting. Another type of artificial propagation, that is of grafting. Grafting, what is the grafting? Grafting is done only in diploid plants. Why grafting done in the diploid plants? In diploid plants, suppose this is the stem of diploid plants. In diploid plant, normally that internal side meristematic tissue is there. Meristematic tissue is there. But in monocots, meristematic tissue present only in the apex portion, that is of shoot apex and root apex. Otherwise, normally in stem, meristematic tissue not present in the monocot plants, but in dicots the lateral meristem is there, lateral meristem. You studied in 9th class, that is the lateral meristem which is present in dicot. Due to presence of meristem, if we join the two different parts, that will be form a composite plant or composite part. So we done during the grafting joining of the two different parts. What is the grafting? Grafting is joining of two different plants. Joining of two different plants. Different plant to form a composite plant. Composite plant, that is the grafting. दो अलग अलग प्लांट्स को ज्वाइन करके एक कंपोजिट प्लांट बनाया जाता है, उसको ग्राफ्टिंग कहते हैं. अगर इनको जोड़ेंगे और उनमें मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू नहीं होगा तो वो नहीं जुड़ पाएंगे. So, due to presence of meristematic tissue, these two different plants join together. So, the lower portion of the plant is known as stalk, and upper portion of that plant is known as scion, stalk and scion. The lower portion, which is taken from the normally wild varieties of plants and that having the disease resistant capacity. जो लोअर पोर्शन लिया जाता है तो वो वाइल्ड वैरायटी, प्लांट की वाइल्ड वैरायटी से लिया जाता है जिनमें क्या डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस कैपेसिटी होती है, और जो अपर पोर्शन जो लिया जाता है वो डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर से लिया जाता है, डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर विच वी रिक्वायर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लांट्स. सो वो डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर से लिया जाता है और इनको ऑब्लिकली कट कर दिया जाता है, दोनों को ऑब्लिकली कट कर दिया जाता है. सपोज फॉर मैंगो, for desi mango utilized as a stock which has disease resistance capacity, and dasari mango, kesar mango or any other good varieties mango that will be taken as a scion and both will join together like this way and tie with the ropes tightly and keep it for some times. After some time that will be joined, both the portion will join together and it will form the new plants. That is the grafting. यानी दो अलग अलग पार्ट लिए एक ही प्लांट के, नीचे वाला अलग पोर्शन जो वाइल्ड वैरायटी से लिया उसको स्टोक कहते हैं, ऊपर वाला साइन कहते हैं, जिसको डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर जो अपने कैरेक्टर चाहिए वो ले लिया, इन दोनों को जोड़ दिए और कंपोजिट प्लांट बन गया. और whenever this plant produce the different types of part, that is flower, fruits or anything other which is present, that character present in the sign. Sign में जो character होंगे वही यहाँ पर produce होंगे. This process is known as grafting and it is especially done in the dipot plants. In monocot it is not possible because these two different parts will not join together. That's why we not done grafting in the monocots. Now another type of vegetative propagation is of layering. Layering is occur in which plants and which that grafting is not possible. In layering, the lower branches of plants cut, small cut is there, and buried into soil. After some time, new leaves and roots arise at that place. This is called layer. And now this portion cut from parent plant and transfer to any other part, that is of layer. Inside the layer, that the lower branches of plant slightly cut is there and buried into the soil and sometimes treated with the hormones or enzymes. Then after that, from that portion, roots and shoots, means from lower portion roots are arises, from upper portion some new leaves will arises, and this portion is now called layer. After that, this part is detached from the parental plants and transferred to the another portion. Suppose this is the plant, okay, this is the plants in which layering is not done, and during the layering this lower branch will be cut, slightly cut, that oblique cut is there, and buried into soil. After that, in this portion some new leaves arises above the ground and root arises from below the ground. Then this portion is not called, now called layer. Then it will be detached from the parental plants, and transfer here to anywhere, where it grow as a individual plants. This is called layering. Layering can done in guava and jasmine or different other many plants. In this way, in which the plant cannot grow with the help of grafting, they will grow with the help of layering. Layering में this is known as mound layering, जिसके अंदर नीचे वाली ब्रांच में ये होता है. कभी कभी एयर लेयरिंग भी होती है, that is of air layering, which is known as BT also. Air layering, in which suppose the lower branches is not bend. If the lower branches is hard, that it cannot bend easily, that time air layering will be occur. This is known as mound layering. And another is of air layering. In that plants, the lower branches is hard, they cannot bend easily. At that time, these hard branches in which form a cut, oblique cut is there, and here some mosses will be warped around it, which can remain it wet, जिसकी वजह से ये portion moist रहेगा, और it is also treated with the different hormones के साथ इसको treat कर दिया and through the some polythene or anything others. After some times, from this portion new leaves arises, and from below portion new roots arises. Then after it will be cut from the parental plants and grow or transfer to the another field to grow a individual plants. This is the layer. So these three types of artificial vegetative propagation occur in the plants, through which we can produce different types of multiply the plants. Now, one more thing is there, that is of micropropagation. Micropropagation, or we can say tissue culture. Micropropagation tissue culture, artificially in laboratory, if we grow new plants from the part of the plant or group of the tissue, that is known as tissue culture. Each and every cell of organism having capacity to build up the new plants, and that capacity is known as totipotency. Totipotency means each and every cell of any organism having capacity to build up new plants or new organisms, that is known as totipotency, and we can say this is known as tissue culture. Through tissue culture we can produce new plants from the group of the cells or single cells. Scientists make up the first new organism, animals, from that single cells, that is of Dolly sheep. So this is the method like that type in which the single cells form new plants. How it is formed? With single cell or single portion which is taken from the plant, that is known as explant. Explant, normally it is taken from the apical portion or meristematic portion, and this explant grow into the laboratory on the culture medium. This one is of culture medium. Inside the laboratory it will be grow. It produce that group of cells. This one is a single explant. It produce group of cells, that is known as callus. Then this callus will be transferred to the different मीडियम. अलग अलग मीडियम में इसको ट्रांसफर किया जा सकता है, अलग अलग में. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अलग अलग कल्चर मीडियम में it can be transferred. Then here treated with the different hormones that promote formation of root and shoot, due to which it form roots and shoots. So differentiation is there. This is the group of cells in which that main cells or explant will be multiplied, and here the hormonal concentration will be changed, due to which that callus will be differentiated into root and shoots, and it will form new plants late, and that new plant will be transferred to the particular field by growing individual plants, and this process is known as tissue culture or micropropagation. But some advantage, merits and demerits is there. What is the advantage? Advantage means in short of duration you can produce many plants through this method. First, second is the plant which is in threatening condition, यानी ऐसा जो डिसअपियर होने वाला है उसको यहाँ अपन आर्टिफिशियल मीडियम में ग्रो करके मल्टीप्लाई किया जा सकता है. जो अच्छे कैरेक्टर है प्लांट के उनको रिमेन रखा जा सकता है. गुड कैरेक्टर विल बी मेंटेन बाय दिस प्रोसेस. बट बैड कैरेक्टर थ्रू दिस डीमेरिट्स, दैट इज ओवरक्राउडिंग इज देयर. ओवरक्राउडिंग होती है, इसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा प्लांट ग्रो किए जा सकते हैं. सेकंड वन इज वेरिएशन नहीं आती है, डिफरेंसेस नहीं आते हैं, वेरिएशन नहीं आती है, न्यू प्लांट्स का फॉर्मेशन इसके थ्रू नहीं बनता है माइक्रो प्रोपगेशन के थ्रू. सो दीज आर द मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स ऑफ माइक्रो प्रोपगेशन.